Come, baby.
Yeah. Sí, ves, por eso es bueno cargar de 5. Y a ti no te gusta cargar de 5. Más. Should I go?
You want to go in front?
Yes.
Okay, no worries. So you're on camera. How many kilometers is the walk?
It's around 20 minutes,
Okay.
so it's gonna be fine.
All right, I was ready for a hike.
And if we wanna hike, we will just go up.
We shouldn't have to pay for it, yeah.
Yeah. Now it's just a small walk. What do you think?
It's a long way down. Now, if an anaconda comes down, he's probably going to try and eat you first because you're smaller.
What?
If an anaconda comes down, he's probably going to try and eat you first because you're smaller.
But we don't have anacondas here. Maybe just small.
That's what the anacondas want you to think.
Probably. One of these goods is an anaconda.
Okay. So just pythons then.
Which is worse.
I think anacondas are the longest, right?
Yes.
Chinchillita.
Chinchillo, you like my overall?
Are we going to take the cable car back?
Yes.
Cool.
Yeah, there is the trick. Because wait with the cable is gonna be longer time.
Yeah.
It's gonna take longer. Gente latina.
Say hello.
Subamos, ¿qué dicen?
Sí, vamos yendo. Ya llego.
¿Ya de llegarse o qué?
Sí, déjales que tripen.
All good?
Pásate bonita.
Ok. A ver. Tenemos caña.
Caña, yo quiero un poquito.
De guan. O sea, es chumil.
Es chumil, pero está bien.
A ver. Así suave.
The cicadas know that we're here.
¿Cómo?
Cicadas, like crickets? El grupito ameno. Maine.
Qué rico, mi amor.
In Naples, we're walking to Sorrento, I think it was, but we had a hike like this.
In this kind of environment?
No, it wasn't rainforest,
Okay.
but it was lush and green, and it was boiling hot because it was summertime, you know. And all we could think about was the next.
You know what? I like this kind
glass
of
of
weather
water.
because it's not cold and neither is warm, and the wind that runs is warmer, so you are not freaking cold.
Yeah, like I'm not cold at all, but it's not boiling either.
Exactly, that's a good thing because the wind refresh. Ooh. Be careful. There is Moggy Moggy. Qué loco que se ve todo esto.
I can hear the cable car.
Ajá.
Ooh.
Ah, ya se escucha la cascada. Did you hear?
Which one?
The
waterfall?
There is a there is a waterfall, or maybe it's the river.
It sounds more like the river.
How you doing?
Good, baby.
It's okay, don't you need to be hanging there?
No, I just like holding it because sometimes it drops.
Yeah, but so let's.
No. Please leave it. It's fine. Like it'll go down a little bit, but that's all.
Okay, it's up to you. Sexy. Oh, there's two ways. Let's go for that.
No, the left-hand path because I'm sure evil.
Bye.
They look like cherries.
Oh my! Those fruits are on.
Yeah, you see? Like black cherries. Who's behind us? Flaca, Pepe, and Monse?
Yes, I'm carrying Pablito. The rest. Opa.
They're walking with us, right? Or are they taking the car? The
You
cable, I
want to
mean.
take a picture of us here?
Yep.
Just let a breathe. I don't know how you breathe, but.
I'm okay.
Whew.
There you go. Focuses on me always. Keep it.
Let's go.
Baby?
That is so lovely, lovely. Ay, Dios. I need to know how high we are from the sea, but it's not normal that this happens to me. Opa, me cansé.
You want to know how high we are?
Could be a 1,000 or either
Mindo is about 1,400 meters.
100.
So it's only half as high as Quito, right?
Yeah. No puede ser,
But it's still high, much higher than Dublin.
Can you? There is here. Para mi amor, por favor, por favor.
Hang on. Hang on. Ready? There you go. There you go.
The place is amazing. Now, that is way when you came here. No tenemos malas noticias. Me está quedando sin aire. Me está dando la altura. No, pero todo bien, solo siento.
You're on Chapa's camera. Body cam.
Body.
Body cam.
Se siente así.
serio?
Sí.
Todo, vamos despacito.
No, vamos igual.
This is what they'll find, along with some bones.
Barry está bien.
Yeah.
Solo yo creo que sí. Es que Barry sí hace ejercicio. Va al gimnasio casi todos los días. Yo no hago mucho ejercicio físico. Entonces ahorita se nota que
You? Yeah.
I say that you do gym. You do gym almost 5 days a week.
Baby, look.
Even more. Oh, there he is, look. Hijo de puta, eso va a estar loquísimo. Ahí se pasó la tarabita.
Yeah, it's really high.
Entonces él está con más, ¿cómo se dice?
Resistencia.
Resistencia física, exacto. Condición física.
Conditioning.
Entonces,
Conditioning
para mí
is
sí,
cardio.
no. Hago muy poco ejercicio. La bici ya, pero no casi, no todos los días.
¿Escucharon cuánto tiempo hay que caminar?
Como 20 minutos, dijo. Ajá.
Unas señoras bajaron con chancletas.
Sí, pero eso es...